Hello everyone, this is Ronak Raj. I am from PES University Bengaluru and I am here to present Schneider Electric Global Experience Phase 2 Digital Track, and my topic for today is Smart Factory Industry 4.0. I would like to start with the introduction. The smart factory has the ability to conduct complete production process on its own. The features of smart factories are: it is connected, it is optimized, it is transparent, it is proactive, it is agile. So, the importance of Smart Factory 4.0, it affects each and everything in our daily lives. It increases productivity using automation and optimization. It has higher business continuity, the better working condition and sustainability. It gives the better quality of products. The technology used in Smart Factories 4.0 are autonomous robots, big data analytics, industrial IoT, additive manufacturing, and the clouds. These are the capabilities of Smart Factories 4.0. Streamline supplier and the customer integration from beginning to the end. It utilizes powerful analytics to master production and filter processes. It provides knowledge and tools to improve physical process control. It allows flexible and vigorous production. So, why there is need of Smart Factory 4.0? Let's just discuss that first. By using smart factories, we can use production process monitoring. We can have full visibility of our assets, data collection and analysis, employees asset and safety, and we can have production flexibility. This is my prototype that I built for my project. The first thing is I'll use AI enabled bots, will be deployed in our smart factories. The details of this is discussed below. The second thing is energy users inside our factories 4.0 will take responsibility for making our factory carbon proof. Apart from this, it should have high availability. Energy units should have its own fault tolerant mechanism like Byzantine fault tolerant. We will use AI and other advanced tools in our factories. While IoT and cloud edge computing and application of physical technology like robots have contributed to the creation of association of data and information, they have also caused significant shifts in the smart facility. The robots that can navigate and mimic human vision and hearing for quality monitoring and asset health production are just two examples of how AI can be used. We will have connect asset and data together. So we will have to connect asset as well as the data together. The variety of platform system and data structures are crucial to be added and connected. Its components are linked together and a stream of information may be analyzed, translated and used. Organization can see its item, it were always there but were previously hidden from view thanks to the advent of fresh data. We will use blockchain in our industry in our smart factory 4.0. By using blockchain, we will have the security benefits as well as there have been numerous studies on the critical enabling technology on the resource management and system operations of blockchain secure smart manufacturing in industry 4.0. There are so many kind of cybersecurity vulnerabilities that are identified and can be eliminated by using blockchain technologies, and blockchain will give the buyer as well as the seller a very good advantage in linking their work together and have the direct contact without having any any mediate person between them. Using cloud in a, we'll use cloud in our smart factories. Cloud looks terrified, but it's very good to use cloud in our smart factory because it gives the encryption. It is crucial for our factories to have encryption so that no one from the other source can attack or steal credentials from each other. E- each and also we will have a passcode, the key portion, the giving them access to the functionality and data on the system. We will use demand driven supply chain. So we desire more, the public wants more. It's nearly impossible to keep up with the technology sector rapid advancement. So we will use demand driven supply chain. We will implement networks as well as cybersecurity in our prototype. Uh, the new technology comes with the new cybersecurity threats. Always keep in mind our weakest link in security is the highest security we have, because attacker will go only on the weakest link. We will do additive manufacturing. We can't have the component individually built and can be integrated together. At the end, we will use 3D printing to create prototypes and individual parts. So our business should be scalable. Business can identify smart factories value of a much large scale by scaling smart factory capabilities and procedures across the corporate network. So concluding this, the smart factory solution is intended to firm who want to take full advantage of their available asset, the personal capabilities and free time to get advantage over rival businesses. It is true that adopting and implementing Factory 4.0 concept involves money, work and planning. On the other hand, considering all the benefits that a fully automated and intelligent plant may have in long term, the impact of a well implemented smart factory should have grand investment payback and place its early adapter on a vanguard of the Factory 4.0 revolution. Thank you so much for listening.